Hi and welcome to Little Devil's picture tutorial. First of all, as you can see, we've already loaded GIMP. We're going to go and get our picture frame, and it's already selected because I've done it 20 times already. Okay, let's move it into a. First of all, to make the frame workable and do what we want it to do, I need to work with it a little bit, and basically click on Layer, Transparency, and add an alpha channel. The reason for that is because we want to remove this black area so we can see the picture eventually. If we don't add an alpha channel, when we do cut that area out, it will just revert to a white panel. Okay, now to remove the black area, we click on in the very top left hand corner the rectangle tool, and we left click and drag down. You don't have to be perfect in this, because if you click on the percentage, the view percentage, make it 200, and then use the slider bars, you can see a lot better. So if you left click in the square, you find you can move it around and position it exactly where you want. So you don't want to go over into there, into the frame. Just drop it there, raise it up to the side with this, and drag it over. And that should be it, but we'll just check the very bottom. Yeah, that looks fine. Reset back to 100% view, and left click. Now we go up to edit and cut. Yay! Now we have a transparent area. Now what we need to do is bring in the picture that we want to put in there. So we click on File and we open as layers. That will bring it straight into your image. Now we need to go find our picture, which I know is that one, and click open, and there we have our picture. Now we need to bring the frame forward. The picture's no good where it is. Normally you can left click in this area in the layers channel and simply drag down. It's not going to let me. I don't know why that's happening. There's something I'm not doing, but we'll do it the easy way. Click on layer, and on the stack, cross over, and now we need to lower the layer. And as you can see over on the right, it's dropped from top, and that's your picture completed. If over on the left, if you want to position the painting better, click on the move tool, and now we can just left click on the picture and we can adjust it and move it around. We are limited, we're restricted by the height of this picture. As you can see, on the width of it, you've got quite a lot of leeway. That'll disappear when you actually flatten the picture, the image anyway. But as it is, we'll leave it as it is. To put it back exactly where it was when you first put it in, just click on edit and undo move layer, and that's it reset from when you put it in. And now it's a simple case of clicking on image, flatten image, and now you save it. Click on file, save as, and now name it. And let's go through. In this section you name it, but it's very important at the end of it that you include the .jpg. that denotes the format it's going to be saved in, and you can save it in PNG if you like, which is a much higher quality. But having already done that, it's really sky high as the KBs, and so it's not, in this instance it's not worth doing. I'll cancel that actually. Also, what is well worth doing is saving it, resizing it now. As it is, it's 512 by 512. We'll resize it by clicking on image, scale image. As you can see, it's set at 512. Unlock that chain link. You don't have to in this case because both sizes are exactly the same, but we will anyway. Adjust that to 256 to 256. Relock the chain link and click scale. The reason I've scaled it is because I've put this in the previewer and I found there was very minimal picture distortion, loss of quality by resizing it. And by resizing it smaller, you can save a lot of KBs, which is all important in imvu. Anyway, that's your picture finished. We can now actually bin that if you want to, and actually I might as well carry on filming. And let's make the opacity layer. Okay, we're going to go file, we're going to go new. There's actually something called select your size, which in this instance is 512 by 512. Click OK, and that should come up with a white picture. And now you simply just save that. You can resize it to the 256 by 256 and save it as an opacity map, and save it in the same folder as you've got your picture saved. Now you're ready to move on to the previewer. Maybe later. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.